station diri sa Seattle.
Oh, kahit ba itong kay Kunigi antay.
Hindi mo naman siya ipailan.
Huh?
Henderson Street. We're in Seattle now.
Wanna let it go, get it, done it, out of town. Gusto ko naligo ako rin, kulot balik akong buhok.
Ah, di ay ganahan kung kulot yung buhok. Ganahan,
Uy,
sexy kay kulot yung buhok ko, sexy.
Pero di na ako kulotan, permi. Diyan na lang mula ko. Got it, you got it, pa.
Ako rin nagmanicure sa akong kamot. Ang katawa na.
Init.
Naku, asap na basta mag-selfie, uy. It's cold.
Happy song. Siya.
Bye, bye. Bye. Ima. That means you want to eat. I will eat. Kagoy.
That's the most romantic thing you can say. Kaon kong bila.
Alak.
I used to love 162nd Military
Yeah, that's fine.
in a mobile home
Padong
with
pasal.
the single pane window.
It's enough to make you crazy. That amount of sound.
Especially in the morning when they rev the engines up to warm them up.
All night, all morning.
Oh man.
All night and all morning.
Yeah.
When COVID hit, that's why I was
Mukbang day.
And it was at that moment I knew I needed to move out of the city. Oh my gosh. Excellent. I need vegetables.
I try to look sexy. While eating.
Okay.
I like
The oysters, you better not eat the oysters. That make you real sexy. That's what they say. Aphrodisiac. Right.
Snails.
I thought you stole it.
I think the razor
He's eating the snail. Here's snails.
Take your arm.
Okay. Oh, do you like it? Right?
So, that's actually a French dish.
That's one of my favorite things about Vietnam. I finally learned. I was like, I had a lot of guilt.
This is the squid.
Going over there and my dad.
Sige na ni? Squid?
Well, both my dads, but I went over there and they're just like, oh, please, we didn't build those tunnels. And then you didn't even. Everybody was so nice.
Corn in Seattle. And then the seafood market. It's down like
Mukbang ni Day Ima's birthday.
Chinatown. Yeah, you get it.
Thank you.
That's the oyster sauce or something?
Peanut sauce.
Okay, thank you, Day.
Hello, fish. So, ayan natin.
Everyone likes it.
What are we making?
She's like a little
I like a
miniature
spring
shrimp lady.
roll. Yateka.
Init kayo.
Every time we were over there, because we were overseas,
Then
it's really hard to
this.
find like authentic American cuisine,
Yeah.
like that has that flavor at home.
Yeah.
And
So
then
it's
some
always like
mint.
hard to cook.
Okay.
I'm like,
And then some herbs.
Okay.
I've only had 2 years here. Come on.
ate. Yeah, you can put wrapper like this. That's it.
That's it?
Boom.
One bite.
And
One
then
bite.
dip it like that.
Secret sauce.
Kalayo man ana oy, ipaduol.
Make love.
She's like,
Paduol.
how later do we get?
Everyone likes it.
What are we making?
She's like a little
I like a
miniature
spring
chef already.
roll. Yateka.
Init kayo.
Every time we were over there, because we were overseas,
Then
it's really hard to
this.
find like authentic American cuisine, you know,
Yeah,
like that has that flavor at home.
Yeah.
And
So
then
it's
some
always be like
mint.
hard to cook.
Okay.
I'm like,
And then some herbs.
Okay.
I've only had 2 years here. Come on.
An earthy. Yeah, you can put wrapper like this. That's it.
That's it?
Boom.
One bite.
And
One
then
bite.
dip it like that.
Secret sauce.
Kalayo man ana oy, ipaduol.
Make love.
She's like,
Paduol.
how later do we get?
Take the fin out. You got all fin, bro. All right, that sounds good.
Does anyone need some fresh chili? Paper?
No, I'm good.
The chili?
You guys want chili? Make breakfast, get to school by 7. Then I get ready to go to my day job.
I've been making my own vinegar.
Then I can pick them up after work.
Pickled, like everything.
Take them rest
Like
practice.
lizard, like
Then
those
get up
big
in bed.
lizard.
And I was like,
I don't think.
and then I told her like, then if he doesn't want the place, he doesn't have to come.
Yeah.
This
This is our
this is
people.
my birthday.
Yeah, and our people.
Yeah.
You
And he's
don't
like,
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, hon. I know how it feels. I know how it feels being. Stop it. I know how it feels being lefty.
There you go. Got it.
Whatever, we're about to leave, and I just said, screw it. Fuck it. Oh, you know, I said, screw it. And as I walk away, she's like, where you going? And I said, well, I'm going to get on my bike and go. She goes, you ain't done yet, boy. And I went,
More.
and that's it. We've been together.
That's it?
We've been,
Like
like,
that.
she's been
Just like-
connected
just
to
like
me.
magic.
But
That's
the thing is,
good.
what we both believe is my auntie played a role in it. And I do believe this. I'm very, I believe in God. I'm very religious. But I really think it was God, and my auntie kind of put her in my life.
Yeah, because that was like not a coincidence. It was like
We weren't looking for nobody. We were not
The
looking
thing too is he was asking like, I'm like, how did you know James? And he's like, that's my cousin.
oh yeah, and then you were scared.
I wasn't scared. I just never felt good enough. Never felt good enough.
So what do you think? What do you think of the Filipino?
They're queens. They're queens.
Queen?
They're queen.
But you know the
Filipino.
good thing with the Filipinos is that if you treat them right, they will treat you even
absolutely.
more. Like they'll
Absolutely.
take care of you.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't matter if you
If not, I'll turn you
lose
into
all
a
your
lumpia.
limbs. They will take care of you till.
I'll be at the VA going, come on, Kate, push this shitty faster. Let's go. I got an appointment.
That's why there's so many Filipino nurses.
And the great thing about what I've been exposed to is I get a second chance to really be around my culture. And,
Right.
a lot of people, they see me on Facebook, and I love it so much, and I embrace it, and I respect it. And I get mad, when I'm on the chat with other Pinoys, and they start barking at each other, tearing each other down.